सभापति जी।
Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri Bekal Utsahi and Dr. Bhai Mahavir, former members of this House. Shri Bekal Utsahi passed away on the 3rd of December at the age of 88 years. Born in June 1928 in Gonda district of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Utsahi was a poet who worked tirelessly for national integration and communal harmony and education of rural women and adults. He was the founder chairman of several educational and literary institutions and served as the secretary of the National Writers' Forum. Shri Utsahi was awarded the Padma Shri in 1976 for his contribution to literature. Shri Bekal Utsahi represented the state of Uttar Pradesh in this House from July 1986 to July 1992. In the passing away of Shri Bekal Utsahi, the country has lost a renowned poet, a distinguished parliamentarian, and a dedicated social worker. Dr. Bhai Mahavir passed away on the 3rd of December 2016 at the age of 94 years. Born in October 1922 at Lahore, Dr. Mahavir was educated at the DAV College, Lahore, Punjab University, and Lucknow University. He began his career as a lecturer in economics at the DAV College, Lahore, and rose to become the vice principal of the PG DAV College, New Delhi. Dr. Bhai Mahavir represented the National Capital Territory of Delhi in this House from April 1968 to April 1974, and the state of Madhya Pradesh from April 1978 to April 1984. He served as the chairman of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation of Rajya Sabha from 1982 to 1984. Dr. Bhai Mahavir held the office of the Governor of Madhya Pradesh from April 1998 to May 2003. In the passing away of Dr. Bhai Mahavir, the country has lost a noted educationist and a distinguished parliamentarian. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri Bekal Utsahi and Dr. Bhai Mahavir. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table, Shri Piyush Goyal.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague, Shri Piyush Goyal, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of the business.
Now, Shri Anil Madhav Dave.
माननीय महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति लेकर आज की कार्यवाही की क्रम संख्या 2 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेजों को सदन के सभापटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Shri Mansoor Kalmandaviya.
Sir, with your permissions, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Now, report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel. Shri Ram Vichar Netam. Then Shri Ranvijay Singh Judev. दोनों नहीं. Statement by Minister Shri Piyush Goyal.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Piyush Goyal, I rise to lay
For
a
statement, you should
statement
have
regarding the status of the implementation
Mr.
of the
Parliamentary
Implementation
Affairs
of
Minister.
contained to 18th.
Mr. Parliamentary
report of the
Affairs
department
Minister, for making a statement on behalf of another minister, you should have given an intimation. Have you
Already given statement,
Given?
sir. Sir, already given statement.
Okay,
Intimation is already given.
already given.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, go on. Okay.
है,
Okay,
मिल गई.
please proceed.
हो गया सर. तो बैठ
Proceed,
जाओ.
proceed. Okay, please. Please proceed.
Monetization.
Yes.
What is happening with this demonetization? Post-dated checks are not allowed.
Sir,
If he is not taken permission, you please allow
Yes,
him.
take- okay.
No,
Take
I now
permission
permit.
and do it tomorrow.
I have now given permission.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Piyush Goyal, I rise to lay in the statement regarding the status of the implementation of the recommendation and observation to contain the 18th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel on demand for grant 2016-17 pertaining of the Ministry of Coal.
Okay, thank you. No.
Chairman sir, Honorable Deputy Chairman sir,
Leader of Opposition first.
सर ये सैटरडे और संडे को हजारों मुलाजमों के टेलीफोन और लोग मिल रहे हैं और गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज और पेंशनर्स न तो गवर्नमेंट
No, you are.
मुलाजमों को तनख्वाह मिल रही न पेंशनर को तनख्वाह मिल पैसा मिल रहा पेंशन मिल रही न डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर को पैसा मिल रहा सर सरकार को ये बताना चाहे कोई फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी लग गई है क्या
Your 267 is on Jammu and Kashmir.
No, I am not taking up that. I am not taking up that
You are
today.
not taking up Jammu.
I am not taking up that.
No,
I am
no,
not
no, no.
taking up that.
I-
I am
no, no,
not
see,
taking up that.
no
No,
problem.
he's talking six.
No, LOP can always speak. I was only telling his 267 was on Jammu and Kashmir. That's
Now
all.
since sir,
इसलिए हम डिस्कशन शुरू
सर
करेंगे.
पार्लियामेंट बाकी जगह की तो बात छोड़िए पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जो एटीएम है लाइब्रेरी के अंदर एटीएम है इस हमारे दरवाजे के बाहर एटीएम है ये तो खराब ही रहते हैं खराब इसलिए रखे गए हैं ताकि पैसा न देना पड़े आपके लाइब्रेरी में वहां पैसा नहीं मिल रहा तो जब पार्लियामेंट के अंदर पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है पार्लियामेंट के अंदर एटीएम नहीं चल रहा है तो हम कैसे अपेक्षा करेंगे कि भारत के गांव और छोटे और बड़े कस्बों में पैसा मिल रहा है सर ये तो फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी जैसे लग गई है इस देश में
इसलिए
पैसा
मैं
क्यों नहीं
डिस्कस
तनख्वाह
करूंगा.
लोगों को तनख्वाह क्यों नहीं मिल रही है
This is the part
लोगों को पेंशन क्यों नहीं मिल रही है
Let us debate the issue.
इसलिए let us start discussion.
Comment silence the government. Like this.
Therefore, let us start
Let us
discussion.
resume the debate and discuss all the issues.
Therefore, let us start
बेहतर तरीका
discussion.
होगा. हाँ, डिबेट डिस्कस करिए ये पद्धति नहीं है ये पद्धति नहीं
therefore-
है ये पद्धति नहीं है सर बहुत
I want to say
बहुत
one more
महत्वपूर्ण
Sir,
बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है
All of you are speaking.
एक विधायक मंत्री जी
Please
हैं
permit me to say
ये
something.
Tawarkar
Yes,
cannot
I am-
move the bill
Yeah,
to
please,
give
all right.
effect
Okay,
to the
please
United
permit me.
Nations
Okay.
Convention of
Hey,
Rights and the
please.
Persons
Sir, all
with
I'm saying
Disabilities on matters for
Today is the
connectivity.
day of
Sri
the
Yachuri,
Today is the day of
disabled
the
also
salary.
will be
Sri Yachuri ji,
Salary.
therefore, let us start discussion.
Yes.
No, sir.
This is the issue of the discussion.
This is more important
होना
than
चाहिए।
that. Sir, today,
डिबेट होना चाहिए नहीं तो बिल नहीं है ये क्या तरीका है सर कुछ नहीं ऐसे बहाना लेके विषय को डाइवर्ट करने के लिए कोशिश करना ऐसा स्थिति है नहीं
All of you are speaking, I can't understand anything.
9 million, 31.9 million workers in the 3 export sectors, they are not getting their salary. Now, this is the
That
time
is
for
why,
their salary.
Sri Yachuri, that's why I say we start the discussion. Someone will reply to that.
Start on this
very
point.
unfair sir
On this point, we are prepared.
what they want to say they say on record and we say I will not allow the house
We are
function
prepared.
ये क्या
Yachuri ji, one second.
ये पद्धति क्या है
अरे one
ये
second.
क्या पद्धति है
अरे सुनिए.
ये क्या पद्धति है
अरे सुनिए. अरे तमन जी, see, I am agreeing. See, please listen to me. I am agreeing that you are raising a very important and serious issue. But it is for the government to reply. Therefore, you start discussion. You start discussion. If all of you shout, what is the benefit? You start discussion. You start discussion. What can I do?
Right now, debate.
Yeah.
Let us start the debate.
If all of you,
Debate. अभी बहस
the only remedy is discussion.
करो,
I am telling you,
मैसेज मत दो.
the only remedy is discussion. Start discussion. No, shouting slogan is no remedy.
डिस्कशन से क्यों भाग रहे? वो क्यों भाग रहे डिस्कशन से? बहस से क्यों भाग रहे? इसके बारे में जवाब
This is no remedy. This is no solution.
हो गया सब तरह.
This is no solution. No. Yes, Naresh, I can't hear Naresh Agarwal. You make them stop.
आप अलाउ तो करिए. माननीय सभापति, पूरे देश में महीने का पहला सप्ताह पे डे होता है. पे वीक. पूरे देश में कर्मचारियों को कहीं तनख्वाह नहीं मिल रही है, पेंशन वालों को पेंशन नहीं मिल रही है. एक तरीके से एनार्की मची हुई है और सरकार जानबूझ के इसको की है. परसों मुरादाबाद में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जिस तरीके से क्लास वार के लिए उकसाया, उन्होंने कहा कि गरीबों जनधन का जो पैसा जमा है उस पैसे को तुम लोग ले जाओ, लूट लो, गरीब अमीर के भी लड़ाई कर लो. ऐसी एनार्की पैदा करी गई है. हम लोग उस एनार्की के बिल्कुल विरोध में. और अगर ये नहीं हुआ, जिस तरीके से
1 second. No, 1 second. No, please listen to me. See, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Please. See, you want a solution to the problem, then you go back and raise it. I will ask the government to reply. But not this way. Let us, the way is, this is not the way. This is not the way. Discussion start karo. HOD, yes. Let us.
Ask the government to reply.
I am not going to adjourn the house.
Sir, I raised the issue.
HOD discussion start karo.
I कर रहा हूँ ना. I raised the issue. You please ask them to respond. I raised that issue.
But
Ask
what-
government to reply.
You see these people, ask them to go back.
How can I ask them? You can ask them.
What can I do?
You ask the government to reply, they'll go back. You ask the government to reply, they'll go back. You ask the government to reply.
This is a kind of anarchy in the house. What can I do? I won't do. The solution to the problem is discussion. Please start discussion. Then the government will reply. I can ask the government to reply. If you are serious about the problem. Shouting slogan is no solution. Shouting slogan is no solution. You will get only certain headlines in the newspaper. Nothing more. I will not adjourn. I want you to go back and raise the issue. I will not adjourn. I don't agree. This is to force me to adjourn. Why should I adjourn? No, I can't hear that. Why should I ask them? I cannot hear anything. Let them go back to the seat, then rise, then the government will reply. You don't want a reply, that's why you are shouting. Not you, those who are in the well. Those who are in the well. Arey, please. What is this? Why do you want to do this? Yes, Shuklaji, you come and stop them. Start the discussion. You raise an important matter and you don't want reply. Arey, you. Play. I don't know what it is. Yeah, क्या है? पेपर ले करना. रणविजय सिंह जुड़े. पेपर लेइंग. कौन है? पेपर लेइंग. रणविजय सिंह जुदेव. कहाँ करते? Yes. What is Sukhandar Roy? I can't hear. What is Sukhandar Roy?
Paper laying. On Friday.
Please, 1 second.
Sir, on Friday you allowed me to lay.
I allowed. You could have done. You didn't do that
No,
time.
I have taken this today.
Did you not do on that time?
No, that was not with me.
You didn't do.
It was not with me.
Same paper which you are referred in the speech.
Yes.
If it is only that, you can lay it. If it is only the same paper which you are referred. Ram Vijay who hai? Ram Vijay Yadav.
2016 of the Ministry of Mines.
What is his? List officer is there. List officer. Sri Venkaiah Naidu, please. Venkaiah Naidu, please.
What I am saying is, we are receiving delegations at the house. The disabled people want this bill to be passed.
Yeah.
International Disabled Day.
Yeah.
It is there in the agenda. I request the house to take up this bill.
Okay.
Disabled bill, please.
Yeah.
They should give priority to the bill.
Hold on, that is a kind. Yeah, please listen. No, what the Honorable Minister said is very important. There is a bill that is rights of person with disabled abilities. Bill 2004 that has to be passed in the House. Please go back. We will take up the bill. Otherwise, it's over. Naresh Agarwal, I can't hear. Why don't you keep your folk in peace? Let them not shout slogans. I can't hear.
इन्होंने पूरा देश बदनाम कर दिया। मैं भी कैंडिडेट
Yes.
मामला में ये पूरा
Yes.
मैंने पूरा
Nothing can be done.
सभापति जी,
What of you speak?
वेंकैया जी जो बात कर रहे हैं,
Disabled today.
वेंकैया जी ये नहीं जान रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो निर्णय लिया है उसमें पूरा देश विकलांग हो गया है। सब लोग सड़क पे आ गए हैं, विकलांगता जगह जगह हो गई है।
Country is
ऐसे
becoming
में उसकी जो
disabled.
नहीं है,
Therefore,
जो देश के कर्मचारियों को तनख्वाह नहीं मिल रही है, जो पेंशन वालों को पेंशन नहीं मिल
House
रही
is
है,
adjourned after
आप
12:00 hours.